Once again, happy morning to all of you. I am here again, myself, Khadangle Pankaj. Today it's our third lecture. We have started online classes. So this one is our third lecture. Yesterday we learned about Shivaji Maharaj. Before Shivaji Maharaj, who were those? What was rules? Like this we will learn. So in 2 minutes we'll just revise it. See, before Shivaji Maharaj established the Swaraj, before Shivaji Maharaj, 400 years before, 400 years before and before Shivaji Maharaj, okay, people were not happy, they were harassed by the people. See, again what we learned, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two people have divided our Maharashtra into two parts, and these two people were always fighting with each other. They were sworn enemies of each other. So always they were fighting, and because of them, other people were harassed. They were facing many problems. Which were those problems? They were not getting enough food to eat. They were not able to celebrate their festivals. And third one is, they were not safe in their own homes. These 3 points we have learned yesterday. So keep in mind, okay? Then, after that we have learned Vatandas. See, many Vatandas were there. But in our book they have told us 2 Vatandas. Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. These Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, they love only about their jagis. They were not thinking about their country. Okay? So because of that, many people were killed. Many of them, they were injured. So people were not happy. All were unhappy. Okay? This one yesterday we have learned. So, come on, open your textbook, page number 1 and paragraph number 4. Okay? I hope all of you have done homework. Every day you have to send your homework on WhatsApp group. Whatever you have done, that homework for checking purpose you have to send to your teacher. How you will send? You will send it on WhatsApp group. Okay? So now we will begin our chapter. See. Put your fingers in book. See. Index finger you have to put on line. Okay? See. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to the people to book the Vatandas who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppress the people. Oppress the people means to keep someone in hardship, and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. This one is very, very important. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. This much we are going to see today. So see, all have read it? For 2 minutes, read it in your mind. If you have completed, let's proceed. See, Shivaji Maharaj saw all these things. What we have revised now. All these things Shivaji Maharaj saw in his childhood. That time Shivaji Maharaj was small. So before Shivaji Maharaj, his mother told what problems were there. And when Shivaji Maharaj was small, that time also his mother told. Who was the Shivaji Maharaj's mother? Correct. Jizabai. Okay? Or Jizamata also we can say. Okay, now see. So Shivaji Maharaj saw all these. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj. He undertook the noble task. Means what? He have done commitment that he is going to establish Swaraj. He have decided himself that I have to establish Swaraj. So those people were unhappy. See, people were unhappy. So, with Swaraj, people can be happy. All people will be happy. So, like this, Shivaji Maharaj have decided to establish Swaraj. Understood? Noble task of establishing Swaraj. You also decide that this year I will get 95% marks. Correct? And as per that, you are doing your study. So like this, Shivaji Maharaj have decided to establish Swaraj. Okay? So see, Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to people. What will bring? Swaraj will bring happiness to all people. He first brought to book the Watandas who fought among themselves. First what he did? He brought Watandas. Yesterday we saw Watandas, Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. Like this many Watandas were there. Okay? So those Watandas were fighting among themselves. Shivaji Maharaj brought them and booked them from his side. Okay? Then, for what purpose he booked them? To establish Swaraj. He then used them in the plan of establishing Swaraj. He fought against the power that oppressed the people. He fought against the power that oppressed the people and defeated them. Then again what he did? He fight against the power which was oppress the people. Oppress the people means to keep someone in hardship. And he defeated them. Defeated means destroyed it totally. Okay? Then see, he established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice. See, Hindavi Swaraj. Then Shivaji Maharaj established Hindavi Swaraj. But while establishing this Swaraj, what he done? Some baselines, some outlines he have decided. What was that outline? See, the Swaraj was based on justice. Justice, fair play, and third one is equal treatment. Equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. And religions. Justice, fair play, and third one is equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. So see, first I will explain you these things. What Shivaji Maharaj did, justice to each and every person. Okay, this one is very important value, justice. Next one is fair play. Okay, and third one is equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. He used to give equal treatment to all the people of all castes. All castes means Maratha, then Chambhar, Kumbhar, like this. Then again, religions means Hindu, Muslim. All people were equal for him. Never he have distinguish between them. Same values we are using in our school also. Correct? We used to use justice to each and every student or each and every parent. Then we give equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. How? In your class now, see, in your class, some students are of Muslims. Mohammedans means Muslims. Some are of another caste. Some students are in open category. Some are in SC category. Some are in NT categories. Like this means their castes are different. But even their castes are different. You know his caste. For example, that boy is there. Do you know his caste? From his face we can identify his caste? No. Correct? So this caste and religions, these are minor things. So these things Shivaji Maharaj understood that time. And those things only we are following now. Okay? Correct? Or we have done like this in our school, that this category students will sit in this row, others will sit in this row. We have done like this? No. So we are giving equal treatment to each and every person. We have learned these values from Shivaji Maharaj. Okay? So our Hindvi Swaraj was established on these three basic points. Okay? Understood? Now see. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. That time people were fighting, Hindus and Muslims. Now how we are thinking? Hindus and Pakistan. Pakistani people are our enemies. Not like this. So that time people's mindset was like that. But Shivaji Maharaj have changed this mindset. That Hindus and Muslims, all people are equal. Okay? He honored the saints of all religions. All religion saints, he honored them. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. And from all these things, we get inspiration from Shivaji Maharaj. Understood? Now see last paragraph. Now here our chapter will get over. So, look at the book. Put your index finger online. See, during a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. See, before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in our Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful efforts of establishing Swaraj. Whatever work these saints did in their life, with their work, Shivaji Maharaj got guidance, proper guideline he got, and with that he have established Swaraj, Hindvi Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what these saints did. Okay? We are going to see what the saints did. But where we are going to see in the next chapter. Now, in this chapter, what we have clear? What we have learned here now? See, suppose this one is a time. Here, Shivaji Maharaj. So first in half lesson we have learned about before Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, and then we learn after Shivaji, means with Shivaji Maharaj, what Shivaji Maharaj did. Here what we have learned, Hindavi Swaraj. Why Shivaji Maharaj have established Hindavi Swaraj? How he established? Whose help he took? Okay, so like this, our chapter is over. Maharashtra before Shivaji. This lesson is totally complete. Okay. So what you will do today? Today's homework. These points you have to copy in your notebook. Hindavi Swaraj. Hindavi Swaraj is based on justice, fair play, equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. This one is your homework. You will copy these 3 times. Understood? Okay. And this lesson you have to read it 1 time. Okay? See, if you will read these lessons again and again, you will get more interest. I hope those students have given me first answer in first lecture that history or EVS second is the boring subject. I hope now those students are agreeing with me that all subjects are interesting, and in those history is very interesting subject. Okay? So complete your homework, learn it. Okay? Thanks for watching this video.